How to categorize products on Wix. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can improve the user experience on Wix. First of all, open your browser. Go to the Wix.com website. Hover your mouse over the Store Product option and click on Products. Here, you can see all your products. Now go into Categories. Click on plus New Category. Give the category a name. Add a product to the category. Click on My Site. Now click on Go to My Sites. Click on your site. Now click on Edit Site. Here you can edit your website. Click on Home and go to the category page. You can see and edit your categories here. You can edit the test category that we just created. Click on Manage Products. Now click on Categories. Both of your categories are now active. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share.